This video will show you how to query RAID controller information using the ARCCONF utility. First, open PowerShell with administrator privileges. Then, navigate to the directory where you extracted ARCCONF utility. The command structure is simple. It starts with the main program ARCCONF, followed by a command and the necessary parameters, such as the controller number, and optional parameters if needed. To list all RAID controllers in the system, use the command ARCCONFList. If you want to view the configuration of a specific controller, add the controller number after the command. To display detailed controller information, use ARCCONF-getConfig along with the appropriate parameter. For example, to check adapter information, type ARCCONF-getConfig1AD. This command shows details such as controller information, cache properties, RAID settings, sensor status, and more. If you want to view logical device information, replace a D with LD. To view physical device information, use PD instead. This lists all connected physical drives. If any device shows an error, you can add optional parameters for the channel number and device ID to query detailed information about that specific device. To check array information, use ARCCONF-getConfig with the AR parameter to display current array details.